Shut the fridge. Shut the fridge. It's gonna let all the cold out. Wait. You have to shut the drawer first. Push the drawer in. No. Push the drawer, not the door. The drawer. Good job. All right, peel your orange. How do you peel it? Show Mama.
Need a plate.
Oh, you need a plate. Here you go. Put it on the table.
Bill.
Eat your orange. Go ahead.
I'm so good.
There you go.
Peels, seeds, peels, whips, like whip, whip.
Good job. Eat it now. You peeled it. Show me how you eat your orange you peeled. Delicious. Look at Mama. Take a bite. Say delicious. So you have to take a bite of it. Are you just peeling them for fun?
Fun.
Maze. What are you going to do with your orange? Huh?
Strawberry. I got berries.
Well, eat your orange.
I think.
Hey.
I got a cookie.
Look at Mama say, I'm a knucklehead.